Well, hello everybody. Welcome to a special edition of I Got Called Out by a Burly Man in North Carolina, and he wants me to prove that I can bake biscuits. Well, generally I'm a biscuit eater, not a biscuit maker, but we're gonna give it a try. I can cook, I can bake, I can do whatever, you can just call me out. I'll do it. I got all my ingredients here. We're gonna do this the old-fashioned way like Johnny did, except I'm gonna throw a little twist in at the end that's gonna make these things really pop. I mean, you got no idea. Until you've tried this, there is nothing in the world that compares to the way these biscuits are gonna spring to life. It's just, well, you'll see. I just can't explain it. So first thing we got to do is go through our list of ingredients, and I'm leaving that one secret ingredient out until the last, and we'll get there. Don't worry. So we're gonna go with the old 2 cups of flour. We got our sugar here, teaspoon of that. No, tablespoon of that. We got a tablespoon of salt. Good old salt, iodized, give you all that iodine that you need to keep your thyroid running right, and whatever else, It's just one of them things. Don't just stick to that Himalayan salt. It doesn't have the good chemical in it to make you really go. Then we got good old butter here. This is my best friend. I love butter. You can't get enough of it. We need like 6 tablespoons of that. We'll see. It calls for lard or Crisco or whatever. I'm going to use this stuff because if you get anything in your recipe that helps something taste like bacon, why not? I'm going to do that, and I'm going to use that to grease up our pan. I got this old cast iron skillet that I got from my grandma, like forever, like over 40 years ago. Or, well, probably not over 40. Dana and I were already together, so it's probably been around 35, we'll say. And that, I don't know who made that, but they did a good job. And that's what we're gonna make our biscuits in. So you guys watch Johnny's video. If you haven't, go watch it. It's a great video. He's gonna show you how to mix all this stuff up. That's pretty boring. One thing I do that he doesn't, I use this to give them a little cut, make them pretty, because we're diva-like around here. We like pretty edges. Yeah, so I'll put all this stuff together. Before I put it in the pan, we'll add that extra secret ingredient at the end, and then we'll pan everything up, bake them, see how they turn out. Hang tight. All right, so here we go. This is my favorite part of the recipe. You get to come outside, be in the great outdoors. It's a recipe that has been passed down through the family for I don't know how long. I just so happy when Johnny called me out on it, because I just knew that I had a good recipe that I could throw up here for you guys to enjoy. It's really hard to believe. Mid-December. We're standing out here in nothing but our dang apron and short sleeve shirt. We're not freezing. It's lovely weather. It's the wrong time of year for it, but I guess you take it when you can get it. So this recipe is really special. When you need a good gut bomb early in the morning when it's cold like it should be now, I don't know anything that's any better than a good biscuit. And you can do some gravy, sausage gravy with it, whatever you want, but the biscuit's the base of it, and it really makes it work. It's the foundation that holds the whole thing together. So I'll get set up here to use this next ingredient, and we'll bring you right back. So the name of the recipe has a lot to do with this last secret ingredient, and it's what really makes it pop. I mean, it makes it bang. The name of these biscuits are biscuits a la Hornaday. If you get what I mean by biscuits a la Hornaday, you get what I mean. Perfect. I think they're ready. Ladies and gentlemen, we are back just in time to throw these in the oven. We gave away the secret Hudson family recipe. Give me about 12 minutes. We'll come back and we'll see the glory. Hang tight. Oh, we're back. It's been 12 minutes. Let's check them out. Oh, let's see. Oh, they look just lovely. Had to take this out first. Told you guys I bake and cook all the time. So there's our beautiful, beautiful secret recipe biscuits. Let's throw those over here for a minute. Wipe that off. We'll pop one out. It's gonna be hot. Oh, they're nice and fluffy. I find that the hollow point adds more air. It's kind of like sifting the flour. Johnny doesn't sift flour. I kind of do, but it's kind of after it's all mixed together. We got butter knife right here. I'll show you how I like to eat them. That's why they call them butter knives, because they got butter on them already. Yeah, buddy. Get that butter on there. Let her melt up while it's in the nice warm muffin. Whoa. That little piece right there kind of making me mad. That'll take care of it. Told you, me and butter are pretty good friends. And that's just one of my favorites. It's a staple. Smucker's grape jelly, Concord. I just like it. It's my favorite. It goes really good with peanut butter. If you haven't heard, people like peanut butter and jelly. No. Let's see. Perfect. Perfect. Whoa. We're getting messy. Johnny, thanks for the call out. Haven't had a muffin in a minute. Let me tell you something. That old Hudson family recipe gets you every time. Like we always say around here, heck with that. Just enjoy your muffins. Hang tight and we'll give you that recipe. Screenshot that recipe, folks. It won't be up forever. And remember, brought to you by Smith & Wesson and Hornady. Not affiliated with or sponsored by. Thank you very much. Love y'all. Have a great one.